If you recently logged into Jira, you may have noticed that things have changed. Atlassian has been introducing a new design language across their entire tools, and today we're going to recap what was announced at Team 25 and the impacts of this new UI changes for you. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you drop a like, and let's jump into it. So Atlassian has been slowly but surely rolling out an update where they have updated their design language. And so they have a new color palette where we're starting to see a lot more color in Jira. Finally, after many, many years of just having blue, we start seeing a lot more color. We have a new typography where all of the tools, not just Jira and not just Confluence, but all of the Atlassian tools are starting to share the same level of typography, the same level of iconography, and there's a lot more accessibility built in as well. And so Atlassian is really, really making these consistent experiences across all their apps, and they're calling it the Atlassian design system. And before we get to that, let me tell you about Aspire Live. Jira shouldn't have to be this hard, and we have an entire team that is ready to help you out with all of your Jira problems. So check out the link down in the description, fill out this information, and let one of our experts reach out to you and help you out on this journey. And now back to the video. Now, I'm personally not a big, huge fan of the new design. I love the new colors, I love the new typography, I love the new icons, but I don't like that they've moved everything on me. Now, Atlassian again is trying to make the experience consistent. As you jump from one tool to the other, the design language is carrying on. And so the learning curve for learning one tool or the other tool, or just understanding that familiarity between the two different tools, or all the different tools for that matter, it's just a lot more fluid and seamless. And this is good because when we look back at Atlassian's mission to grow and scale the impact of Jira and how many different teams are using their tools, this makes a lot of sense when you don't feel like you have to relearn every other tool that Atlassian has out there because they're all going to look and feel the same. And this, again, is a very strategic move. Now, fun little story about design at Atlassian. Mike really pays attention to design. I think having a good design is something that is top of his mind. And in fact, I had an opportunity to sit down with him during the Team 25 conference. And one of the comments that he made as soon as he saw me was, "Oh, so you're the guy that doesn't like my new design." And it's an interesting thing because when you look at Atlassian designs, right, they focus a lot on that fluidity, on that user experience, making sure things make sense. For me personally, I don't like the change, which is why I'm always objecting to it. But for new folks, right, for the new generation of customers, the next 300,000 customers that Atlassian's targeting, the design change makes a lot of sense because it brings Jira to a much more modern feel that I think is going to lower the barrier of entry for new folks that want to use the Atlassian tools for the first time. Again, it sucks for those that are seasoned veterans, the old 300,000 customers, but the new 300,000, they're going to love it. And more importantly, in the comment section, let me know, do you like the new design language or do you not like it? I'm very curious. My heart is torn, but I want to know down below in the comments, what do you think of this new design language?